cooked amazingly well to get here. Now, we want to see you get even better. You have been set a brief. That brief is to create a party dish. A dish to feed up to 6 people. This brief was set by respected restaurant critic Grace Dent. Grace is coming in here to taste your food and help us judge.
The prize at the end of this round is a place in Knockout Week.
The brief that I set is they're going to a party. They have to bring something that they can share. It could be this kind of wonderful casserole or this wonderful lasagna. I want to feel when I see this food that this person is the greatest neighbour that you could have.
Sandy is a fusion cook. She spent half her life in China and half her life in the UK, and her food represents that. Her Chinese flavourings are stunning.
Today, I want to show the very authentic side of my cooking. It's savoury, it's sweet, it's sour, it's spicy. I think it will blow their mind.
What dish are you bringing to the party, Sandy?
I am cooking buttermilk fried chicken with a Sichuan glaze sauce and gonna serve it with sriracha coleslaw.
This dish you're making, is this the sort of food you would take to a party?
Absolutely. I'm a big fan of fried chicken. Everybody knows, like, when you put a bird into hot oil, it's gonna taste pretty good. This is basically an opportunity for me to dedicate my love to fried chicken.
The outside of that chicken should be really crispy and the bits underneath are just slightly soft. With it, she has got a Szechuan glaze with ferocity of chili and a fizz at the same time. Fantastic. Fried chicken, it's a universally loved thing, and we all have had a good one. Hers has got to be super duper.
Technology consultant Sandy has prepared buttermilk fried chicken coated with a Szechuan glaze, served with a spicy sriracha and mayonnaise coleslaw.
The buttermilk chicken is delicious. There's a real sweetness there, but then there's a heat as well. And I love the coleslaw. I think that shoving sriracha in was a great idea. There's no complaints from me. I'm happy.
You've got a Szechuan glaze, and it tickles your mouth. And my palate is just having a great time. Right now, there's party poppers having a lovely time in there. Your chicken is soft on the inside, melts in your mouth. I really, really, really like it.
It's absolutely delicious. There's no doubt about it. So you're coming to my house, you've brought a tray of fried chicken with your own dressing on it. I'm happy.
Feedback from the judges I'm really pleased about. In theory, I should feel more positive, but then I'm still, like, very tense. I don't know why.
It looks amazing. Like, I'd love to tuck into that now.